best things I've ever had. Hello! Hey guys, it's Barb. Thank you for watching. So I was looking the other day for some new healthy recipes on TikTok, and then I figured what a great idea to create a YouTube video cooking and trying these recipes. I'm very excited. I found some very delicious looking recipes, so I can't wait to try them. Let's start with recipe number 1. Okay, so for breakfast we have healthy pancakes. Yes, I know that you probably have seen like 100 different recipes for pancakes, but I chose this one because it doesn't contain oats or any kind of flour, and I'm very curious, like I really want to see how they would turn out. So yeah, that's why I chose this recipe. So let's see what we have.
Throughout my 60-kilo weight loss journey, this recipe was a staple in my diet that I ate almost every single day, and it honestly made losing weight so much easier. In a blender cup, add egg whites, cinnamon, baking powder, vanilla extract, monk fruit or your choice of sweetener, banana, and protein powder. This is my personal favorite. Blend it together and cook the pancakes on medium heat for around 2 minutes on each side, or until you can see bubbles on the top. Add strawberries, blueberries, drown it in sugar-free maple syrup, and that's it. For only 300 calories, these are a game changer.
They look delicious, not gonna lie, so let's see if we can make them as good as they look and how they taste. Okay, so very quickly the ingredients that we need are eggs, baking powder, banana, any kind of sweetener, I'm gonna use stevia, cinnamon powder, vanilla extract, protein powder, I'm using this Jim Beam Just Whey, and then we're gonna do the toppings together. We're gonna need 150 grams of egg whites, so we don't need the yolks. Very professional. Eggs everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna take my blender. I'm gonna pour my egg whites inside. Half tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Okay, maybe this much. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 20 grams of natural sweetener. 1 banana. Mine is too small. 1 scoop of protein powder. And just like that, we have the butter here. Now I'm gonna blend it, and then we're gonna make the pancakes. Okay guys, so here we have the butter. The only thing I want to say is that it's not very thick. I don't know if you can see it. And I don't know if it will stay as a pancake or if it will turn into a crepe. I think the butter is supposed to be thick, so it can stay like this, you know, as a pancake. I don't know if you know what I mean. So I have this baking spray. Okay, pancake number 1. Okay guys, we finally have the pancakes. Guys, I'm very impressed. I never thought that pancakes with no flour or anything related would turn out so good. Like, they're literally perfect. Okay, so now for the toppings, I'm gonna use this Canadian maple syrup. And also for the toppings, I'm gonna use these frozen strawberries. I don't have fresh strawberries, so I'm gonna make it work with these. And I have some blueberries here. And some blueberries. They literally look perfect. Okay guys, so today we're gonna pretend that we're on a date and we go for breakfast, we will have lunch. Yeah, we will eat together, okay? It's so good. I never thought that pancakes like these, with these ingredients, would turn out so good. It's unbelievable. I would easily say that this is a 12 out of 10. Seriously. They have a sweet flavor. You can taste the banana, the cinnamon, the maple syrup on top, of course. And also the sweetener that we put inside, the stevia, helped a lot. Okay guys, we are back in the kitchen for recipe number 2. I'm very excited. It's a couple of hours later and I'm about to have a snack. But it's not just a snack, it's the snack. So let's see what we have.
My hot honey halloumi avocado toast. This is absolute brunch and lunch goals. So gorgeously balanced and everything you want to eat. Toasted sourdough with my super avocado crushed with tomatoes, chili, fresh herbs and zesty lemon. Fry off your halloumi with a sticky and spicy honey chili mix and pair with a 6-minute egg. Honestly guys, I am so obsessed with this one and I think you will be too. Healthy eating has never looked and tasted so good.
Okay, my mouth is watering already. That's all I'm saying. Okay guys, so with 3, 2, 1, let's have all the ingredients that we're gonna need for this recipe. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so here we have all the ingredients. Very quickly, we're gonna need 1 slice of sourdough bread, 1 egg, chili flakes, honey, spring onion, cherry tomatoes, lemon, avocado, halloumi cheese, and parsley. Okay, so let's start with the avocado. I have this half avocado here. Okay, I'm gonna try this technique. Okay, fun fact about me, every time I cook and I touch something, I have to wash my hands afterwards. Like I touch the avocado, I have to wash my hands. I will touch the cherry tomatoes, I have to wash my hands. Do you also do this or I'm just the weirdo here? Okay, so next I'm gonna chop a little bit of this parsley. You see? Just touch the parsley, now I have to wash my hand. The recipe says 1 onion, but I think I'm gonna have half of it. I think it's quite strong. 5 cherry tomatoes. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys that the only thing I don't have is the red chili that she adds in the avocado. But it's okay, because we will use the chili flakes. Okay, now we're gonna cut the lemon. Okay, now with the fork I will mix everything together. It's so yummy. Okay, our avocado is ready. I'm gonna leave it here. And I'm gonna toast the bread and I'm gonna boil the egg. Mix the honey with a pinch of chili flakes and a pinch of salt. And some salt. Okay, and the only thing that's left is to fry my halloumi cheese and put this sauce on top. And then we will put everything together. Okay guys, and now to the final step. Okay, so we have the avocado here. Now we're gonna put the egg. 1 and 2. Okay, so now the moment of truth. Yay! Okay guys, back to our table. It's date number 2 of the day. I will try to have a little bit of everything. Oh my god. It's probably one of the best things I've ever had. I'm not joking. You definitely need to try this recipe. The sweet flavor from the honey, the sour flavor from the avocado, and the salty flavor from the cheese and the salt. Oh my god. This combination is the best ever. Okay, and the last bite. Recipe number 3. Guys, I know that I look different, but it's still the same day, just a few hours later. I changed it to something comfier, and also I had my hair like this at the gym, so I left it like this. Okay, so the third recipe is green mac and cheese.
This is my OG creamy, cheesy green mac and cheese. I get lots of questions about this recipe, so here it is in a video. It's the perfect winter comfort food, packed with green veg, of course, and some pancetta to make it a little bougie. But you could switch it for bacon or remove it entirely to make it veggie. If you just can't wait for dinner, you can heat it in the pan until all the cheese is melted, or top it with panko crumbs and cheese and bake until golden.
Okay, so for this recipe, the ingredients that we're gonna need are pasta for mac and cheese, 1 leek, Parmesan cheese, fresh spinach, heavy cream, parsley, garlic, flour, butter, milk, frozen peas, cheddar cheese, mustard. We will also use salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. And the 2 ingredients that I want to use are the frozen broccoli, which I don't have, and the pancetta slices or bacon, whatever, because we want to make it more vegetarian. So let's start cooking. We have so many ingredients, as you can see. Okay, so first things first, we need to preheat the oven. So let's do it. Okay, so next we're gonna cook the pasta in a pot of salted boiling water. And it says add the broccoli to the pot 2 minutes before the pasta if cooked. But I don't have the broccoli, so I will cook the pasta straight away. Okay, now I'm gonna chop the leek and the garlic. We need 3 garlic cloves and the leek in the pan. And now we're gonna cook it for 1 or 2 minutes. Okay guys, so once the leek is cooked and has this brown color, we're gonna melt in butter and we're gonna add the flour, and then gradually we will add the milk, and for richer version we're gonna add the heavy cream, which I personally like. This is thick. Don't make a mess, don't make a mess, don't make a mess. And also I'm gonna put inside a handful of fresh spinach. Okay guys, we're getting there. This is the last step. I'm gonna take this baking dish and I'm gonna put inside the pasta, the sauce that we made, and the rest of the ingredients. Now we will take the sauce that we made. Okay, we need 2 tablespoons of mustard. We need cheddar cheese. We will also add the frozen peas, a little bit of parsley. I think I'm gonna name this dish the Grange. And the last thing, I'm gonna put some breadcrumbs. It says panko breadcrumbs, but I have normal breadcrumbs. So this is how it's looking. Now we're gonna put it in the oven for a few minutes. After 10-12 minutes I took it out of the oven. This is how it looks like. Okay, it doesn't look perfect, I know, and I should have put more breadcrumbs on top for a better crust. I'm sure that it tastes amazing. Day number 3. Okay, let's taste it, guys. You know it's good when you hear the sound. It's delicious, it's salty, it's creamy, it's everything. The fourth and the last recipe of today's video. So far we're doing so good. Just because I cooked a lot today, for dinner I wanted something quicker, something fresh, something healthy, but still kind of different. So let's see what we have. Okay, that was it. So easy. It's literally 5 minutes recipe. So we're gonna make it. The only thing we need to do is to boil the rice and then we're gonna put everything together and we will eat it. Okay, so for the ingredients, we're gonna need seaweeds, tuna, mayo, sriracha sauce, cucumber. The recipe shows avocado, but just because I had avocado in the morning for my snack, I will use cucumber and of course rice. I'm gonna use jasmine rice because every time I boil it, it turns sticky and thick. And this is what we want for this recipe. Okay, in this mini bowl, I'm gonna make the sauce. It's just sriracha sauce and mayo. This is how it looks like. And now we're gonna slice our cucumber. You can also peel it if you want. I personally don't mind it. Okay, we'll also cut the seaweeds. Okay guys, my rice is cooked. I have it here. And also I let it cool so I can touch it with my hand. Okay, now I'm gonna take one of these. I will put some rice. Now I will take my tuna. And then on top I will pour a little bit of a sauce. Okay guys, this is how it looks like. Whoa, I think I put a lot. But anyway, I think I will have a straight bite. So this is what we have. Let's see. This is literally heaven in a bite. Guys, honestly, how this recipe can be so good with only 5 ingredients. I literally loved it. I will definitely start having this recipe very often from now on. So guys, another successful recipe, 4 successful recipes today. I'm very excited and I would definitely search for some new healthy recipes on TikTok because TikTok really killed it today. Also let me know if you want to create like more videos like these with new recipes, even non-healthy recipes, like anything. Guys, I'm gonna love you and leave you. All subscriber or new subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Write me in the comments below what you want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. You can also follow me on other platforms. I will have them linked in the description box and I will hopefully see you in my next video.